So I'm currently studying the epigenome of neuroblastoma, and my day-to-day tasks include conducting experiments, collecting data, and presenting and sharing them with colleagues and broader audiences. Oh, my most favorite subject in school was physics, definitely. So by training, I'm a pharmacist, and I always wanted to understand diseases from a molecular perspective. Only this way we can figure out better ways how to intervene in terms of therapeutics and diagnostics. I'm currently working in deciphering the epigenome of neuroblastoma, which means basically I'm studying how these changes around the DNA, not per se in the sequence of the DNA, happen in this disease, and trying to see how we can leverage this in terms of diagnostic and therapeutic purposes. My job is very innovative, so one never gets bored actually doing it. So my most recent experience that was also very exciting was my last project that I worked in Boston in my former lab, and involved actually a discovery about epigenetic markers for diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease. And this can actually tell that the patients are going to develop Alzheimer's long before they have any clinical manifestations, sometimes decades before that happens. So that was pretty exciting. Working with cutting-edge technologies and novel projects is exciting, but at the same time is challenging because one has to work or navigate through a lot of uncharted territories. I think for me personally, but I believe also for every other scientist, is the advancement of science and the betterment of human life. For a lot of diseases, including neuroblastoma, we're just starting to understand from epigenetics perspective how these diseases arise. Therefore, a lot of more work is needed to shed light into molecular mechanisms that gives rise to these pathologies. Resilience, definitely.